local SEO or local location based SEO. So what is local SEO? So when people type with let us say best coffee shops in Hyderabad, so people used to type with the location basically, best coffee places in Hyderabad, coffee shops in Hyderabad. Whenever people type with a location like in Hyderabad, in Secunderabad, in high tech city, Madhapur, Delhi, Bangalore, whatever. So when people type with a location, the first that we see in the Google SERP is the location listings. So these are all the listings with a map actually. Okay. So these we call as local SEO or location based SEO. Okay. So to create this listing, we have to use the tool called Google Business Profile. Okay, formerly this used to be called as Google My Business, so which is a proper tool actually. So this is a best tool I can say, but they have changed the total interface and they are integrated here itself. So we used to do that in a previous organization, but it was outdated. So now they changed the name to Google Business Profile, and from here we need to create. So to create, I mean Google profile, we have to have a physical location. The condition for the Google Business Profile would be whenever you are creating for any client, even for your business also or any other clients, it should have a physical presence. Physical presence should be there. Yeah, shop or whatever. So it's like a medical hospital, whatever. So even for the roadside shop also, if you have the proper permanent location, we can do for them as well. But it should have a physical location. Then only Google will verify. Until unless it won't verify. That's a problem. Okay. So physical location will be there, and yeah, so we have to have a name for that one. So then from there we can create on. Okay. And you already have the that thing, right? So we'll create the other one from the same tool. Okay. So local SEO refers to the process of optimizing your online presence to attract more business from relevant local searches. When people used to search with, like as I told you, with our service like best Ayurvedic clinic near me, Ayurvedic clinic in Secunderabad, or SAP training so and so, or digital marketing training institute in ECIL. So whatever, when people type with location, then these results will come up. And if you observe, these results we'll call as Google 3-pack results. Write it down. Google 3-pack. Google 3-pack results. So one of the student got an interview question. So what is this called as? You can say Google 3-pack results. So what do you mean by 3-pack? Here you can see only 3 options, right? So if you click on more places, if I click on more places, then I can see more number of other listings also. But only top 3 will come into this position. So when customers search for it, will they click on to more places? Obviously, most of the cases they don't go for it. They don't go for it. So simply they'll choose one of three from here. So in most cases they look at the first one or second one, and from there they'll contact the person, right? So now how to make our listing into the top 3 positions? So what we need to do, how we need to improve these things, all the things that we are going to discuss today. Okay.
What is it called?
Google 3-pack results. Google 3-pack results. Okay. Next. So where your listing will be appeared in the Google search bar, I mean in the Google SERP, and even some assistants are also there now. So like Google Assistant, even Siri also, where usually we able to see, and even Google Maps also. When people search with the location, the list will be popped up. Okay, this is the places where your listing will be showcased, right? Next, how to improve or how to do that? So first, make sure that your website is optimized for mobile visitors. Yeah, one more thing, even if you don't have website also, we can create that one. So website is an optional here. If you have the website, try to make it for mobile friendly. But even if you don't have website also, no problem. So without website, you can create this listing as well. No need to worry, right? But if you have, then we need to make sure it should be mobile friendly, right? Next, so to create a listing for this one, we have to create an account in Google Business Profile. Formerly this called as Google My Business account. So in that, how to create and all, now we'll see, right? Can you do that? Yeah, share screen.
It is showing to join.
For this account which you created already, right? For some location. So now we are trying to create a new location. Okay. Right.
293.
Customer interaction.
And this is how did, like, how long it is?
Yeah, we can check it in the profile actually. I'll show you, no problem. I'll show you. Not now. So if I want to create from starting, click on the three dots option. In that, add a new business profile. So this is a starting step actually. So when we want to create a new one, so from here we need to create. Do you want to make it as Dr. Budori's Ayurvedic clinic or
Dr. Mudhaba Clinic,
Ayurvedic clinic or clinic?
Ayurvedic Clinic.
Yeah. Ayurvedic clinic is a keyword actually. Yeah. So that will
Second thing, name of that also, sir.
Hmm?
Previous, can we change that? Will it take
it will take time. Yeah. So it will take time.
A by
Your correct. No. You are VDS. Yeah. Ayurvedic clinic. Right. Done. Category. Yes. Ayurvedic clinic. Next. Scroll down. Next. And yeah, people will visit your location. So we'll keep as yes. And yeah, so here enter the exact details like not whole at the time. So keep the one add address line.
Kalgiri is district.
District, yeah. Remove that Telangana and 5,000. Yeah. So keep the
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, state Telangana. Right. And next. Do you provide deliveries? No, no. Office visits, home or office visits?
Oh no.
No. Yeah. Here, the receiver phone number. And remember, this phone number should be the receivers, like who is going to respond to these queries. If you have website, yeah, we can add the website. So you can see website is optional. I told you, no? So even without website also we can integrate, right? Like chai wala is there, chai shop is there. They don't have website, so but still they have an account here, right?
How's
Phone code, yeah, yeah. 1 second, I'll tell you. So here you have two verification options. One is the OTP verification from through mobile. One is the business video verification. So see, this verification process can be decided by the Google to like it's like a clinic ones, training institutes, some corporate kind of thing, no? So they usually ask for the business videos. You're already created, that's the reason it is asking for the phone verification.
Right.
So purely depend on the Google only. So business video verification you already did, right? So we took the video of from start. Yeah, the other location. Yeah. So we need to showcase the name of the company on the entrance. So showcase the premises and submit the video. Then they are going to verify. So right now they are asking for the phone verification. But in the before COVID situation, there is a one option will be there. That is OTP verification. So that is the postal verification actually. So when you submit the data here, after 12 days, 12 working days actually, they usually send one envelope OTP. It's like how you get for your credit card, debit card from the banks. So from Google company, it is delivered to the exact location. In that, the OTP will be there. We need to enter manually. That's a before COVID situation. But after COVID, they have changed to the completely online. So now the OTP, phone verification, video verification is now available. So depends on the business category. They are usually select both options. Yeah. So now can be done phone code. Yeah, she will receive one code and you need to enter. Yeah, G hyphen some name will be there. 6-digit number will be there. Yeah, here you can see.
Code है, code है. 97606397606 ठीक है, okay, fine. Now she's verified.
Yes,
Okay,
directly
okay,
verified
okay.
instantly. Yeah. Next.
It's very easy then, sir.
Yeah. Now the opening hours. So here we can set the opening and closing hours. At what time the shop or the business will start. At what time it will close. Just type directly. Like at what time you want to open. I mean the clinic.
6:30.
6:30. Yeah.
9.
Evening. Evening 6:30 to
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. 9 is 21, right? Yeah, directly. You have to select that field.
Where's the
Choose now. Yeah, like that you can select. Sometimes it won't take directly. Yeah. Sunday.
Sunday off?
Sunday off, right?
Sunday only that thing open.
Acha, okay. Only the Sunday.
Only Sunday morning, sir. Sunday evening she takes holiday.
Okay. So from morning to afternoon.
That can. So earlier we had only that thing, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Then like recently she.
You started. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Right. Next. Navata, you understood what we're doing?
Yes,
The
sir.
location, everything, right? You can follow the same steps. Yeah. Next.
Next.
Description about your business. So we have in about section in your website or somewhere, or we can get it from ChatGPT also. We can add. Right. Next. And if you have any photos of that clinic, we can add it from here, or else we can add it later also. It's not mandate to add now itself. We can add it later, right? Next. Skip. Skip, no problem. Yeah. And one second, it's easy to advertise. Yeah, advertising comes under later one, so we don't require that now. So skip that one. And even yeah, professional mail also we don't need. Yeah, skip. Continue. Done. So now the location is created. Yeah, it is directly taken as a location. Now to see that, yeah, to see that, click the edit profile. Scroll down. You can see your name, opening date, so and so. Phone number is also, it will take some time to update. Scroll down.
Website.
Website is there. Yeah. Next, location. Here, just check whether it is correct or not.
Right, sir. Right.
Is the correct one?
It's right, sir.
So if you want to make adjustment, you can do it from there itself. Okay. Right. And remember, when we are mapping this thing, no, so try to accurately reflect that pinpoint location. For example, we have had this experience before in the previous organization. We have kept one location that is in the next gully or next street and all. So when we realized people are going there and calling back us, so that we are went there and all. So then again to change from that street to this street, it took like 15 days or 20 days of time.
It's like it's on main road. It is not a main road.
I'll tell you, no problem. So
Adjust.
so adjust. Scroll down. You need to adjust this map to, yeah, here you can make it as, yeah. Yeah, so like that you can drag. Yes.
Anyone's confused, sir.
That's what. So just compare with the beside shops like
Temple. when you were